Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block iPhone text messages on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Messages app, then open the contact which you want to block. Now just tap on the profile icon of this contact, and from here you will find the option of block contact. Just tap on it and tap on block contact. Now if you want to block messages from unknown numbers, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now, from here, just go to apps, and from this list, just select the Messages app. Now, on this page, you will find the option of unknown senders. Now, from this list, first of all, just enable screen unknown senders. Now, once you enable this toggle, your iPhone will hide the notifications and move the messages from unknown numbers to the unknown sender list. Now, you also have the option of filter spam. And once you enable this toggle, your iPhone will filter spam messages. And this is how you can block iPhone text messages on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.